Have you ever wondered how much does YouTube pay for live stream, or how much can I earn once I get monetized and decide to start live streaming? I am going to be showing you exactly what you are to expect in this video, because there've been a lot of confusion. Some people will come up here and be like, oh, live streaming pays a lot, while some will be like it doesn't pay. So believe me when I say what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is going to shock you, and by the end of the day you'll be able to know, oh, is live stream really worth it or not. So 2 days ago, for a very long time, I went on live, and at the end of the day the live stream gathered a total views of 3.2k views. Oh my god, it was a whole lot. To me, I was like, man, this live stream is going to really pay me. Like, I was so happy, and I couldn't just wait for YouTube to finally upload the live stream and give me my revenue. But what I saw, god, what I saw is still shocking me to this very moment, because before now I don't really pay attention to how much YouTube pay for live stream, because I hardly go on live. In fact, I go on live once in a blue moon. So there's no need of saying too much story right now. I'm going to be taking you straight into my YouTube studio, and I'll be sharing my analysis with you. So this is my YouTube studio, and here is the almighty live stream. Now let's quickly head over to the analysis of the live stream. You all can see that the live stream has generated 3.4k views. So let's quickly go through the analysis. Now let's click here, and from this place you can see that this live stream has gotten 130 views. So now let me explain. The thing is, before now, most of us think that once you're done with a live stream and the live stream happens to get like 10,000 views, 600 views, 300 views, that is what YouTube is going to pay you, right? But the gospel answer, and the honest truth, is that that is not what you are going to be paid. So what YouTube actually take note of is the views the live stream generates, that is after it's being uploaded to YouTube, and that is what you can see from the screen here. So this particular live stream has gotten 130 views. So now this is the watch hours it has gotten, 4.1 watch hours. So let's quickly go through the reach of the video. You can see that it has gotten 7.9 impression click-through rate, which is also beautiful. So this is the watch hours it has been able to accumulate. So let's just head over straight to the revenue. Yes, I know, okay, audience actually plays a good role. Imagine returning viewers is even 0. So for the audience, I guess, yes, Nigeria is my most viewed audience, and even United States, still it doesn't count. So let's quickly head over to the almighty revenue. Tada! This live stream has been able to generate $0.53. Imagine a live stream that was having 3.2k views. Oh my god, that's 3.4k views. Now, so this is how I make money: watch page ads and supers and gifts. The thing is, it was even supers and gifts that actually made it to be high self. So let me quickly show you. So, one faithful beautiful lady actually gifted me money in naira. So this is what YouTube paid me from what she gifted me, $0.17. Then this is the main amount from this live stream. That is what YouTube pay me from this live stream, from the watch page ad, because once your live stream is being uploaded, YouTube is going to be placing ads on it. So from the watch page ads, I got $0.36. So right now, let's go through the live performance. You can see that the revenue, okay, how much are advertisers paying? They're paying $3.88. So how much YouTube is paying me per 1k views is $0.16. So if this live stream happen to manage and get up to 1,000 views, this is basically what I will be earning. Yeah, so you can see it for 3.3k views I was paid $0.16. So now let's quickly go through one of my other live streams so that I can be able to explain something to you guys. Okay, I think this particular live stream here. So for this live stream, let's quickly go through the whole revenue stuff. Okay, this live stream was able to accumulate how many views? 2.7k views, right? So going through the revenue of this particular live stream, you can see that this live stream has generated 226 views. That is after it was being posted. This is the views it has generated, because that is what YouTube is taking note of. Now let's head over straight to the revenue aspects. You can see that this one has generated me $6.01. Now let's check out on how I make the money. Let us know where the money is actually coming from. Now you all can see that the whole money is coming from the supers and gifts. That is, if you go on live and you don't have people to gift you, you are not going to make good money. That is, you don't have people to send you super sticker, super chat, and the rest. You will not make money. Oh. Yeah, you all can see from here, I was able to generate $4.90. While from the watch page ads, it has generated me just $1.11. Now let's check out on how much advertisers are paying. They're paying $4.77. Now this is what YouTube is paying me per 1,000 views. $2.19. This one self is even actually very beautiful. So had it been this video managed to get like up to 1K views after I posted it, then it should have made me good revenue. And yes, that is how it is for most of my revenue. Honestly speaking, it was through this live stream that I now understand how YouTube actually pay for going live. Before now, like as I said earlier on, I never knew. So right now, the question is, why is live stream very low? Why is the revenue so low? So if somebody doesn't gift me, I will not make good money from it. Right now, I'm going to be telling you why your live stream is low and what you can actually do to even make it higher. So the thing is, when you are on live, some people will join and leave immediately. Some can even join, watch for like few seconds and still leave. So that particular act hurt retention. And secondly, ads barely run on live stream. Even after you must have posted the live stream and YouTube plays ads, it's actually barely runs. So all these things are what cause your low revenue. And the next thing is, if you are being gifted on live, YouTube takes 30%, then give you what is left. That is why you see I was gifted like I think 500 naira, and YouTube took some parts and later ended up giving me $0.17 as my cut. So for you to be able to make much more money from live stream, you have to pay attention to the replay views. That is, as soon as the live stream is being posted, the views it gather, that is what YouTube is going to pay you for. So what is going to be your takeaway from this video? Number one is, do not expect money from the views. Even if you have 10,000 views, put mind on the replay views, because that is what is going to determine how much you are going to make. Yeah. Then the second thing is, live stream is actually much more better for engagement. That is for building your channel rather than making money. You can only make money if you have people to super chat you or support you. That is the only way. So another thing is, the replay you get after your live stream is what that actually counts to you making money. That is why if you scroll on YouTube most of the time, if you come across some of all these big channels, you discover that there are ways that they actually customize their live stream in a way that it will look like normal video, so that people can actually go ahead and start watching it once the live stream is being posted. So you can as well decide to start doing something like that in order for you to be able to make good revenue off the live stream. And yes, that brings us to the conclusion of this video. So back to you. Have you ever done live stream before? What was the outcome? How was the views? Was it high? And were you able to make good revenue off it? So if you've watched to this extent, as usual, please do well to like this video, drop me your comment if you've not done so, and lastly, do not forget to share this video. As always, I will see you all in my next video. Feel free to drop any question you have on the comment section, and I'll be attending to you. So bye, and see you guys when next I see you.